Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. Scotland FC manager and former Warriors captain Peter Ndlovu has allegedly defaulted on maintenance payments for one of his sons. Ndlovu recently secured a job at a Premier Soccer League club and is said to have gone for more than 4 months without contributing to his son's upkeep, resulting in arrears and a standing maintenance order. It is worth noting that there are multiple cases of Ndlovu being involved in maintenance disputes with different women over the past years. In one case, he was ordered to pay almost 30,000 rand in maintenance for 2 of his children, but he appealed, stating he couldn't afford it since he has 13 children to support. In some cases, Ndlovu stated that the mothers didn't inform him about the pregnancies or the birth of the children. And in another case, a paternity test was conducted to confirm Ndlovu's fatherhood, after which he allegedly became uncooperative. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.